ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telas ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagatak tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagaw, ay hinatang tulad, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitindig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pang ay di magtitindig. Lumalang araw ng buwan, ating pagsinta, mo'y langit sa piling mo. Ang hinigaya ng pagkay mga aking, at mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Good morning, my beloved lawmakers, officials, and my fellow citizens. I am honored to address the nation today on the state of our economy. My fellow Filipinos, as we move forward into the future, we must make sure our country grows not just in strength, but in knowledge, innovation, care for our environment. That is why we have passed the principles to support our scientists, protect our ideas, and help our students in our care. These laws are not for people. These laws are for progress. First, we have passed the Magna Carta for Science and Technology's Personnel RA 8439. These laws give better pay and benefits to our scientists, engineers, and the government. The minds behind our progress. Second, we approve the Science and Technology Scholarship Law 1994, RA 7687. This is a smart but poor student to study science and engineering. We believe that every child deserves a chance to learn and succeed. Third, we created the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines, RA 8219. These laws protect innovations, books, music, and other creative works. It gives credit to creators and help grow our economy through innovation. And fourth, we passed the Clean Air Act, RA 8749. This law fights air pollution from cars and factories. It helps us breathe clean air and live healthier lives. Families across the country now says, these laws help our children learn, protect our ideas, and keep our air fresh. My fellow citizens, these laws are more than just words on paper. They are a step forward, smarter, safer, and hope. Let us continue working together with hope, with unity, with action for a better tomorrow. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.